Hey people, I got a new banana. Oh yeah, I did. I got a new banana. I say, hey, maybe I can open it. Open it. Wait, I can't open it. I have to do a triple flip to open. I'm so dead. Sorry about my voice. Yeah, my voice is too old. Sorry. Oh, it's not old. It's just, deep. I've been having too much Coca-Cola in KFC. You know what I mean? KFC's got great deals. But I hate it. I'm joking. I love McDonald's. 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 Hey, I met my friend Amy. She says, hey, Nate. I don't get it. She's weird. She's cuckoo. But she's a monkey. And my GFA Pro has fallen off a lodge. And guessing the Saturday, the card found 34 is rocking his out. Oh yeah. See you later, bros.